Welcome to Schogini Toys' latest DIY adventure, the automatic street light kit, designed to save electricity and enhance manpower efficiency. This is how to connect the light sensor if it is not already connected. First up, let's get started. Open the battery holder, insert 3 AA batteries, and turn on the kit. Voila! Your automatic light switch is all set. Try covering the light sensor with your hand and watch the LED light up. Now, let's put together the street light model included in the kit. Take 2 posts and insert them into the end side of the PVC assembly as demonstrated. If it's a bit tight, twist the wire ends, fold them slightly, and they'll slide right through. Once the wires are through, twist all the red wires together and all the black wires together. Next, insert the black wire into one side of the white connector and the red wire into the other. Use the jumper wire to connect these to the breadboard, following the connection diagram provided in the kit. Switch it on and see the lights in action. Fantastic! Repeat these steps for the remaining 4 light posts and secure them with the bottom PVC assembly to complete your street light model. A bit of tape can help keep everything stable. But here's the exciting part. Unleash your creativity to build unique street models, or use the enclosed street printouts to turn this into a show-stopping project for your next school science fair. Get ready to build and learn with our automatic street light kit. It's a journey of creativity, discovery, and lots of fun with Schogini Toys DIY kits. Stay tuned for more innovative projects. Together, let's keep creating amazing things.